All right, fourth graders, today we are going to learn how to use strip diagrams to represent addition problems. And that's your I can statement. I can use strip diagrams to represent addition problems. Sometimes strip diagrams are also called tape diagrams. They are the same thing. We're going to start with something pretty easy. So if you remember, when you were in first and second grade, you may have seen something like this that we call a math mountain. So in a math mountain, there are two numbers. Let's go with the number 2 and the number 5. And those two numbers add to be a larger number. And the larger number goes at the top. We call these two numbers our addends, A, D, D, E, N, D, S, or addend, or our addends if you have both. So here's my first addend and here's my second addend. And then this number at the top is going to be my whole or my total. Right? So when I'm doing an addition problem, it could look like this, 5 plus 2. The answer goes on the bottom. We're going to start using tape diagrams or strip diagrams to show the exact same thing as a math mountain. You've seen math mountains before. Now we're going to do the same thing, but instead of having two numbers that go up to a mountain, we are going to have two numbers that just are represented in a large rectangle. So in this case, if I had the numbers 27 and 13, I would do my addition to figure out what my total is on the very top. And my total goes above by adding all of those up together. Now I know that I can do it on the side just like I did for my math mountain if I needed to, 27 and 13. Adding those two up together, 7 and 3 make 10, which means I'm going to carry the 1, 2, 4, 3, and 4. So my total would be 40. Let's do one more. And in this case, let's say that we are missing an addend. So in our math mountain, these two are our addends. This is our total. In our strip diagram, 13 and 27 are my addends, and my total goes on top. I'm gonna have my total be 50. And let's say we know the number 15. We know that one of our addends is the number 15. Well, how would we figure out how we get from 15 to 50? Well, we could subtract. So we would take our total, 50, take away 15, and that would give us our other addend. Or we could count up from 15 to get to 50. I'm going to subtract. 0 minus 5 I can't do, so I have to borrow from next door. This then becomes a 10. 10 take away 5 equals 5, and 4 take away 1 equals 3. So I know that my missing addend has to be 35. I can figure out if I got that correct by adding my two addends together, 35 plus 15, and hopefully that equals 50. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Carry the 1, 3, 4, 5. 50 is my total. Should be good to go with that one. So just some examples of how to use strip diagrams. I used some really easy numbers. You're going to start to see some larger numbers. This is just a way that you can represent addition problems by using strip diagrams. Again, they are sometimes also called tape diagrams. All right, guys, you can use this for review after we have watched it together as a class.